Oh, hey y'all, it's Andy. Y'all, the latch on my tailgate here finally completely broke, and there's Bodog supervising. But anyways, it's time to fix it. I just got the new latch in the mail yesterday, so let's get to work, y'all. See y'all here in a second. Oh, alright y'all. Usually, you would lower the tailgate to do this, but as y'all seen, my latch is broke. So, this here door has Torx head, Star's head, whatever you want to call it, all the way across tailgate here. So, we gonna take this here door off to get to the tailgate latch. Let's get to it, y'all. Oh. Alright, y'all. I ain't gonna make you just sit here and watch me take out all these screws, so I'll see y'all when I get this here door off. Oh. Alright, y'all. As you can tell, got the access panel / door, whatever you want to call it, off. Now, we about to get this here tailgate open. So let's grab these right here and pop it right open. There we go. Alright, now let me get y'all set back up again, and I'll show you how to replace this here latch. Alright, y'all. Tailgate latch assembly. There's 2 bolts you gotta take out right here and here. That's 10mm. And there's 2 little plastic latches right here that just slide on out and pop out like this. They go to your connecting rods, or whatever they're called. There we go. Take them out, move them out the way, and like I said, 10mm, and just loosen her up and take her out, y'all. Speedy mode. Go. Click. Alright, y'all. Bolt her out. And we're just going to slide her out like this. There we go. And we have a broken tailgate latch. So, we got to get us a screwdriver right here to take out the little locking mechanism here. Because, of course, every tailgate needs a lock. So we're just gonna get y'all back in the shot there. Pull out this little retaining ring on both sides. There we go. Come on now. There we go, y'all. Retaining ring. And it just pushes out from the back right there. So, let me get the new latch opened up, and I'll be back with y'all here in a second. Alright, y'all. New tailgate latch. It's a little bit shinier than my old one. But they are both the same thing, so I got the right part in the mail. Which is a good thing. So, we're pretty much gonna do the reverse of what we just did. Put the little lock mechanism back in. Pop out this here new retainer ring. There we go, y'all. I hate these little retainer ring things sometimes. So, gonna take our lock, slide it back in, line up little tabs right there. Take this here thing, slide it around to right there. Nope, that's gotta go right here. There we go. Right like that. Now, put our little retainer ring back on. This here's the fun part. There we go. Retainer rings back in. We just gonna go back up on our tailgate here. Fit everything back in. Pop that way again. There we go. And she's back in now. Gonna take her two 10mm bolts. Put them back in here. Get them good and snugged up. Now, I'm gonna take her bars here, put them back in here the way they're supposed to be. Move that, there we go. And slide the little clips back over. There we go. Make sure she works. Oh yeah. Now, well, I've got this there panel off. We're gonna go ahead and take some good old WD-40. Spray down everything right there real good. Go ahead and spray down in here. Right there. And of course on this side too. Give her another little working. And there we go, y'all. Now let's put the door back on. Oh, like I said, y'all, time to put the door back on. Speedy mode. Go. got to make his debut in video already. Oh, there you go, y'all. Panel is back on. See y'all here in a second. All right, y'all. Latch is in. Let's see if she actually works. Downright pretty, y'all. I like it. Now, one more thing. We're just gonna make sure that the lock works. Yep. We are good, y'all. So, that's all there is to it. Changing out a tailgate latch on a 2005 Toyota Tundra. So, anyways, thank y'all for watching. God bless. Hope y'all have a good day. And me and the photo bombing cat, possibly, will see y'all on the next video. Hey, Ash. I know, it's Ash Cat. Him photo bombs the videos. Yeah, photo bombs the videos. Him likes to help.